You're watching CBSN New York.
We did hear from the attorney for Cassie Ventura outside of court. Let's listen in to see what he had to say.
We're pleased that he's been held responsible for something, which is something that hasn't happened in his lifetime. And, we're hopeful that ultimately he receives a substantial sentence for what he's done. And, we're pleased that Cassie's brought to light everything that has happened in this trial. I just spoke with her and with the U.S. Attorney's Office team, and she's in a good place. She's pleased that, again, that the jury has found him liable, or guilty of 2 federal crimes.
And we were just listening to Douglas Wigdor, Cassie Ventura's attorney, who said he spoke with her and that she was doing okay.
Jurors reached their verdict just before 10 this morning, finding Sean Diddy Combs not guilty on 3 counts, guilty on 2. Diddy's attorneys are arguing he should be released from custody immediately, and the judge is now considering it.
Moments after the verdict was read, members of Combs' family emerged from the courthouse. This is his mother as she gives a thumbs up to the crowd.
And a look at the throngs of people who gathered in Lower Manhattan outside the courthouse waiting for the verdict.
We have team coverage of this big story. Jennifer Bisram live with all the action outside the courtroom. But we start with Alice Gaynor. She has been inside the courtroom the entire trial and joins us in Lower Manhattan. Alice.
Cindy and Mary, the jury deliberated for about 14 hours, and when they reached that verdict, Sean Combs could be seen pumping his fists at one point. We want to show you some video, some of the sketches the courtroom artists have put together. He dropped to his knees, Sean Combs, put his hands on his chair and prayed. His family cheered and clapped once court was adjourned. Combs was convicted of 2 counts, transportation for prostitution. He is facing up to 10 years behind bars on each count. The U.S. Attorney for the Southern District of New York released a statement that reads in part, quote, "Sex crimes deeply scar victims, and the disturbing reality is that sex crimes are all too present in many aspects of our society." An attorney for Cassandra Ventura spoke after court, and the defense says they'll speak more later today.
Obviously, we would have liked to have seen a conviction on the sex crimes and RICO counts. But we're pleased that he's been held responsible for something, which is something that hasn't happened in his lifetime. She's pleased that, again, that the jury has found him liable, or guilty of 2 federal crimes.
Anything you want the public to know?
Not yet. We'll be saying something soon.
And can you share your reaction?
We're happy. Thank you.